Welcome to Design for Automotive, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who want to take their ride to the next level. If you're passionate about performance cars like Nissan GT-R, Lamborghini Huracan or any other dream machine, you've come to the right place. We dive deep into the world of automotive brands, cutting edge products, and most importantly, how you can modify and upgrade your car yourself. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned modder looking for fresh ideas, this channel is designed to educate, inspire and empower you. What you'll find on this channel, step-by-step how-to guides that walk you through everything from simple bolt-ons to advanced performance mods so you can confidently work on your car at home. In-depth reviews and hands-on demonstrations of the latest products from top automotive brands, helping you make informed decisions before you buy. Breaking news and updates on the newest releases and innovations in the automotive world, keeping you ahead of the curve. Educational content focused on performance tuning, styling upgrades and practical tips to enhance your car's look and feel. But that's not all. To truly master your car modification and connect with like-minded enthusiasts, I invite you to join my exclusive Skool community. This is where the real magic happens. A place for deeper learning, live question and answer sessions, personalized advice and collaboration with fellow car lovers who share your passion. Subscribe to my Skool community. I have left a link to it below in the description. By joining, you will gain access to exclusive tutorials, behind the scenes content and direct support that you won't find anywhere else. It's the perfect way to accelerate your skills and be part of a vibrant, supportive community. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Together, we'll explore the latest trends, master new techniques and build a car of your dreams, one mod at a time. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to the journey.